Hello everybody, I'm Stéphane Berger. We're here at LDI and we're presenting our decking series, a flexible product that you can do stage, tiered seating, and rolling risers. We have an example here of the rolling risers. We're really happy to be here so people can learn more about our product and especially the flexibility of it. Basically the product can really adapt to those multiple configuration and at a very low cost too, which is important. No frames are required to do the setup, which save space, time, and money too for the user. So if you want to learn more about our product, you are welcome to contact us directly by email. And you can find our information on our website at www.deck2go.com.